Alright, check this out. That is so cool. Okay, so we've got the phone mount, which is just a simple spring system. And then it's got the female mount to it, the 1/4 inch. Oh, it does have an actual, like, lip to it where you can, where it'll actually hold the phone in a little bit more than just, you know, the sideways pressure, because that's not a ton. There's no lock to it, but it's got, like, it's pretty strong spring, so you shouldn't have to worry about the phone falling out ever. And then it even has the cold shoe, hot shoe, I forget which is which, but the mount here, do I have one spare? No, I'm using it anyway. So yeah, so you could put a like a light or a microphone in there with the phone, which is nice. Which I actually have with what I'm recording with right now. There's a light on it. So yeah, so that'll be useful. There we go. And then we've got the same thing, but this is for GoPro, which I don't have, but that's their mounting system. So you just undo this, then you slot the GoPro in, and then tighten that up, and then you can, you know, adjust the angle as you want. But I'm going to be using the phone mount. So actually, before I put that, oh wait, I hadn't even noticed. Yeah, so it can be mounted either way, where on the back or on the bottom or top, whatever. Bottom, really, I guess. So this is also adjustable if you want, you know, if you have a shorter hole to put it in or whatever, if you want, or just to tighten it up from that side as well. Oh, right, yeah, right, it's for, so if you, like, say I want, well, actually, no, it doesn't matter, because we got a ball joint here, so, anyway. And then this is kind of a neat system, so it actually, like, this tightens and loosens both the ball joints here, which have a little bit of wiggle back and forth, but not a ton. But it's got full rotation that way and this way for both of them, which is nice. Yeah, so that's kind of neat that it's got the 2-in-1 system. I don't know if I'll actually like it or not in practice, but it's a unique system, and the balls are actually like they've got ridges to them, so it grips it a lot better than some other systems that I've seen. And then I think it's all metal. Yeah, it is. Yeah, it's all metal. And then of course we got the big selling point to this, which is this awesome clamping system. So we've got the, you know, swivel clamps here, so you can clamp onto anything that's I don't know, a pole or a what have you. Oh, you can even, yeah, see, if you want just to mount to a pole without these guys in the way, you can put them outwards, or you can, I don't know, that doesn't do anything, but actually I wonder, can you use it as, yeah, you could kind of use it as just a straight up mount like that, stand, I guess. And then, yeah, and then you have your classic where you just, like if I were to mount it to my desk kind of thing. And yeah, wow, that's actually, yeah, that's got a heck of a grip to it. That's awesome. Like, I haven't even really cranked it down yet. Cool. Yeah, so it's some good grip to it as well. What else? Oh, yeah, and then another cold shoe, hot shoe, whatever mount here if you want. Or I think even their, like, NEEWER has, NEEWER, I don't know, has a, like, rail system that might work there, I'm not sure. But at the very least, it would work with a hot or cold shoe. Just mount it down to that. And then, yeah, like a million different mounting points. You got one here that's a 1/4 inch. You got one on each side here that goes all the way through that you could, I don't know, potentially mount something on there. What else? Oh, yeah, and then 2 more here even. And yeah, so you could, you know, if you want to just use this as to have the nice ball joint, double ball joint mount, you can just mount it right to a tripod using your 1/4 inch there. I think it's 1/4 inch. Yeah, I mean, yeah, it's too small to be the 5/8 or whatever, so. Yeah, no, it's yeah, really nice. I'm quite impressed with this. The phone mount itself isn't super impressive on its own, but if you have, like I have a nice one that's all metal that I'm using right now, which will also go right onto this, so that'll be nice as well if you don't want to use the one that comes with it. Yeah, I'm impressed. Very nice mount. And then yeah, and then you get all your instructions. It tells you all everything I just said. Yeah, are they all 1/4 inch? Yeah, it's all 1/4 inch thread. Cool. Yeah, good stuff.
Hi, I want to give you a closer look at this newer Magic Arm Super Clamp. Here is the main clamp, and this obviously controls the width of the clamp. These pads here, there's a rubber insert on the inside to protect the surface that you're attaching this to. There's a 1/4 inch thread here, and this other side, we call it side arm maybe, you can loosen it and tighten it here, and it does allow you to swing this other piece to a different angle, and it itself has a 1/4 inch thread. There are also attachments for sports cam and a phone holder as well.
It has a synthetic rubber band, and I find these to be much better and much more resistant to slippage. Sadly, since it's not fit for purpose, I have to give this a 1-star review. Hope that's helped your shopping considerations.
It's sheared right there. The clamp's tight. Everything's tight.